Welcome once more to Mathematics Pro. So today we have the circle and we are asked to calculate the area of the shaded. So if we look very keenly, so since this is the radio, so it means the shaded is a semicircle. So let's get started. So the first thing to do is to write the area of a semicircle. So if the area of the formula of area of a circle is pi r square, a semicircle is like half of a circle, so we need to divide it by 2. So if we look at the formula, we can see that we don't have the radius yet, and if we look here, there's a diameter and this is a right angle triangle, so we can apply Pythagoras theorem in order to calculate the diameter first, because this part is the diameter. Okay, so let's start by calculating the diameter first so that we'll be able to calculate the radius from it. So here is a right angle triangle, so here we have 16 meter and we also have 12 meter. So if we apply Pythagoras theorem, let's call this part A and this B, and the hypotenuse C, which is the diameter. So C will be equals to A square plus B square. So C, we know that A, so A is 16, so 16 square plus 12 square. So what is the value of 16 square? Is 256. So we are going to have 256, which is 16 times 16 plus 12 times 12 will give us 144. So if we add them up together, we are going to get 400. The square root of 400. And the square root of 400 is 20. So now we know our diameter. Our diameter is 20. So we have our diameter already. So we all know that the radius itself is half of the diameter. So if all of this is 20, it means the radius is half. So it means the radius, this implies the radius is 10. So our radius here is 10. So now that we have the radius, we can substitute the values in the formula in order to calculate the area. So our radius, our area, the area will be equals to pi. It's preferable to use pi as 3.14. So pi will be 3.14 times the radius is 10, following the formula. So it's going to be 10 times 10, or 10 square, divided by 2. So this means we are going to have 3.14. 10 square means 10 times 10 is 100 over 2. If we multiply 3.14 times 10, it's just like moving the decimal point 2 places to the right, since we multiply times 100. So just move the decimal point 2 places to the right. This will give us 314 divided by 2. 314 divided by 2 will give us 157. So this is our answer. The area is 157 meter square. Thanks for watching. To support, subscribe.